Hey there, you guys. I am back. I had somebody ask me the other day, where do I get my coupons from? So this is where I get them from. It's called InboxDollars. I'll go back to the home page. It's called InboxDollars, and they pay you to use coupons. Yes, so you will be getting paid to use coupons. So once you go log in and create your account, don't worry, you guys. There will be a link in the description box below. Go ahead and click on that link and go ahead and set it up. All you really need is an email, and you can make up your own password. Once you do that, they have lots of things you could do to earn extra cash, surveys and things like that. But really what I do is I just use it for coupons. If you see, I've racked up about $26.24. Once you hit $30, you can cash it out for an actual check that you can go to the bank with. Yes, not a gift card that you have to use at another store. If you want, you can use it on gift cards. Let's see here. If you want, you can use it on gift cards, but I don't. I just like to get the check. So let's just go right into the coupons here. So you click on the tab that says coupons. If you see here, it's coupons from coupons.com. So these are the same coupons that you would get from coupons.com. Except when you use these coupons, they will pay you. If you print them off of coupons.com site directly, they will not pay you. So they'll give you 10 cents for every coupon that you use. So I think I'm going to click here for this $3 off of 2 L'Oreal. There's always a sale going on those at like CVS and Walgreens. You could click anything you want. This CoverGirl one here, $3 off. Garnier Fructis. I'm going to click that one. Let's see. Let's click some of these. Oh, look, some new Skittles. Let's try that. My son might like those. And then just click next, and it will load the next page. Some International Delight. Sometimes those go on sale at Publix, 3 for $9. You can go ahead and use that. Get 3 for $8. CoverGirl, $4 off. One CoverGirl plus Olay product. Maybe we can use that. Kellogg's, $1 off of 3. Sometimes they go on sale at Publix. If you see them here, you don't have to clip them. Tums, I believe there is a sale going on those right now at Publix. I'm going to go ahead and check that app later. The Skittle dips again, but for the bigger ones, you can go ahead and click that. So yeah, pretty much anything that you see, go ahead and clip it. So I'm not going to drag you guys on and make you look through the flyer here with me. But yeah, let me go ahead and pause it, and I'm going to click what I want, and then I'll just show you the printing process. Sorry, one more thing, you guys. I had somebody ask me the other day, where did I get my Scrubbing Bubbles coupons? If you saw the Publix video, I had the buy one Scrubbing Bubble bath product and you get the free toilet bowl cleaner, and then I was able to combine that with the $1 off of the free item they were giving us. I got it from here. So here goes another Scrubbing Bubbles. I'm going to go ahead and click that because Publix usually has sales on those. And I'm pretty sure that there is another Scrubbing Bubbles around here. Oh, yep, see here? 50 cents off of the toilet bowl cleaner. I'm going to get that one. And then the $1 off for that one. So I just clip them because I see them and I know that there's going to be like a sale for it, or it's an item that I want. So I'll clip it and just hold on to the coupon until I see a sale that is going to happen. Okay. Alright, so I am done clipping all the coupons I want. If you see here, I clipped 13 of them. You can clip as many as you want. You can clip as many per, you can click all of them if you want. Just hold on to them. InboxDollars will pay you 1 penny for every one that you print, and then 10 cents for every one that you use. So you can approximately make about 11 cents to use one coupon. Now, it might not sound like a lot, but I usually just use my coupons, and then whenever I just want some extra cash, I'll go and I'll use it. I'll submit it. I'll get whatever amount of money is there. Like, you have to wait till you hit 30. If you see, I'm at 26, but you can keep it going. Like, if you hit 30, you don't have to cash it out. You could keep it up until you reach 100 and then cash it out. It's whatever you want, whenever you're ready. But all right, so just click print coupons. See, your coupons are printing. Take a few moments. There we go. And then you just hit print. And it is that easy, you guys. They're coming out the printer now. All right, you guys, and that's it. I am done. That quick, that easy. Just make sure you check the dates because each one has its own expiration date. Like this one says it expires on February 16th. This one here for the cover girl says February 29th. So, you know, just one, oh, February 1st. So we better hurry up and use that one if I want to try those Skittles. But yeah, they're all different dates. So just make sure you check them. I like to leave them here in this paper and just slide it in my little coupon binder. That way it's a little easier to keep track of because they don't really fit in the coupon binder. Little pockets that I bought. I bought like for playing cards, like baseball cards, collector stuff. So they don't really fit these big ones. I have to fold them up and everything. And one time I tried it and the lady at the register was complaining because this little barcode that, you know, they're supposed to scan was kind of, you know, like crumpled or whatever. So she wouldn't give it to me. So after that day, I never did that again. But anyway, you guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. The link for InboxDollars will be down below in the description box. Feel free to click on it, make an account, and start saving and earning money all at the same time. So if the store gives you money, the store is going to give you money. InboxDollars is going to give you money, and you are saving money. Can't beat that. I mean, I totally love it. All right. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, push all those buttons, do all those things that everybody always asks you to do. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.